This video will show you how to set up your Google Sites portfolio. So first, you'll need to type in sites.google.com, and you will need to set up a Gmail account if you don't have one already. So I've got two, but I'm going to pick this one here. Type in my password, and it should take me to a page like this. Now, if you haven't set up a website yet, there won't be anything listed right here. This will just be blank. So to create a new Google Sites, I'm going to hit Create. And then I have created a template for you that has all of the outcome pages and the assignment pages listed the way that I would like to see them. So you'll just go here to browse the gallery for more. Then you'll type in UNM and hit the search button. And yours will be this one right down here, UNM eComp 102 Portfolio Template. So you'll just click on that, and then you'll click Select, and you'll have to choose a name for your site. So I already have one with my name in it, so I'm just going to write Sample Student 2. I recommend that you make your name using your first name, middle name, and last name. Later on, you can go in and select a theme, or you can select one right now. They have tons to choose from. Under the More options, you don't need to worry about that. That's just if you have a website with mature content for adults only, so you won't worry about that. You will type in the code here, the text that appears, and you'll go back up here to create. If you get an error message, it's for one of two reasons. Either you typed in the wrong text down here, or, like I got, the location you have chosen is not available. That means that someone else has that address. So I'm going to put my initials after it and see if that helps. Create site, and it should bring me to this page right here. So Sample Student 2, your name will appear here, whatever you have decided to name your website. And then you'll see here on the left hand side, I've got assignment number 1, assignment number 2, and assignment number 3. And then all of the outcomes are listed. So this is where you will be posting your reflection for each of the assignments, and where you'll be posting either the link to your assignment. If you're uploading, say, a Jing or a Camtasia video, you might get a link through Screencast. Or if you are creating a video through iMovie or Windows Movie Maker, or if you're creating a project with Audacity, you will have a file that you will attach here to the add file. So to add content, all you do is click on the link of the page where you would like to add content. So let's say, for example, Outcome A. And then you're going to go up here to this little pencil looking button, and that says Edit Page. When you click on Edit Page, all of these tools up here will come up, and this text box will come up. I'm just going to write, "This is my page for Outcome A." So then I can select all of this, bold, italic, underline. I can change the color if I want. Maybe I'll make it dark red. I can change the background color if I want. I can also create hyperlinks here. So if you do want to create a hyperlink, you just select the text that you want your reader to be able to click on, go to link, and then you go to web address. The text to display, this is my page for Outcome A, or say you want it to say, click here for more information. Then the link to the URL, say it's unm.edu. And you'll click OK. And then when your reader clicks on that, it will open it in a new window, and it will go to whatever website you want it to. Now I'm going to show you how to insert images, YouTube videos, and to add files to your pages. You'll just go up here to Insert, and you'll go to Image, and something like this will come up. If you go to Upload Images, you can choose something from your computer library. You click Choose, it will upload, and then you'll click OK. Now you'll notice that this image came out huge. This is the actual size of the image. So when you click on the image, this little box down here will come up. And as you'll see, there's these different buttons: Align Left, Align Center, Align Right. S, M, and L stand for small, medium, and large. So I'm going to make this image medium. Or you can go back to the original size if for some reason your image isn't completely huge. It just changes it a little bit within these ones. So I'm going to stick with medium. And then this button here, wrap on and wrap off, you're almost always going to want to have wrap on because this will mean that your text will actually wrap around your image. The text just goes right around my image there. So now to insert a YouTube video, you'll go insert, insert, and you go right over here to YouTube. And you'll just paste the URL of your YouTube video. You'll paste it right in there. Video display size, you can change this if you want. You can include a border. You can also include a title. So say that you've chosen a more relevant video to your portfolio. You can say, example of rhetorical analysis, and hit save. And that will embed the video right here. So you'll always want to make sure that you keep hitting save every time you make a new change to your page. If you don't hit save, then your work could definitely be lost. So as you noticed before I hit save, you couldn't see this first image of the YouTube video. So you'll just want to make sure, if you can't see it, just hit save and make sure that it uploaded correctly. So the last thing you'll want to know how to do is to add files to your different pages. So this would be more relevant in one of these assignment pages. So say I made an Audacity file for my assignment number 1. I would go to add files, and then I will just find that file in here. I'll choose that and it will upload it. And then my reader will be able to download this file by just clicking right here on download. So on each of your assignment pages, you'll want to have just a very brief assignment introduction. This is my review assignment. I focused on the text Breaking Bad, and I discussed so on and so forth. A couple more things you should know about. Under the More menu here, you can go to Manage Site, and that will allow you to do a few things. You can change your themes, colors, and fonts. So if you don't like this theme, right now we're on Leather Panel, you can change it to any one of these themes and you'll be able to preview it before you make that change. So one more thing you'll want to do is to go to Sharing and Permissions. And right now, my site is public. Anyone on the internet can find it and view it. If you don't want your Google Sites to be public, then you just hit Change and click on anyone with the link. You can't click private because then even if you give me the link, I won't be able to view it. And if I can't view your portfolio, then I can't grade it. So if you don't want it to be public, then you hit anyone with a link. And then when you go to turn in your projects on UNM Learn, you're just going to copy and paste your Google Sites portfolio link into the assignment page. So if you have any questions about the Google Sites portfolio, about submitting assignments, anything like that, be sure to read over the syllabus and watch the other Google Sites videos, and then go ahead and post a question to the Writers Lounge. You'll also want to note that the remainder of the videos about the portfolio, the videos for portfolio with assignment number 1, and assignment number 2, and assignment number 3, they will be using a different template than you will be using. And this is because I made a specific template just for our course, and those videos relate to all the courses for English 102 for this semester. So just make a note of that. Don't be confused if you see that other template on there. You'll be using still this same template that I've shown you in this video.